Welcome back to Master Strategies. Today, we're here to cover the topic regarding how to make passive income through cryptocurrency. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started quickly. Speaking facts, buying crypto can be scary. Many are worried about being scammed or not being able to make the best deal. And one can't just control the flow of a market. Passive income is needed in today's world, be it any sort of amount, as it keeps adding to our primary account balance. Whereas, talking about recent trends, the world seems to be a crypto market altogether. Well, here arises the question: how to make passive income through cryptocurrency? It's not a hard job. Yes, crypto can gain you a handful amount of money by following simple techniques. Earning passive income through cryptocurrency. Not just investors, but any random person with a mobile device or PC can make a handful amount through investing their limited time in cryptocurrency platforms. These incomes are the best source of alternate earnings. You might be wondering about the ways you can gain your earning. We've got you covered. To start with, there are 5 ways for alternate earning from cryptocurrencies. But what are they? Do they need a long, detailed procedure or documentations? No worries. It's as easy as climbing a sandhill. To answer your question, staking, mining, affiliate, lending, forks, and airdrops are some of the ways you can gain a passive income. Many people are confused by the difference between passive and active income. Of course, this requires quality research and market knowledge, and proper planning that takes into account profile, risk tolerance, objectives, external factors, and availability of funding. An example of passive income. We've already talked about active sources of income, but here are some examples of passive income. Among them, the most common and best passive income generating assets are staking POS coins. With a variety of applications in the financial industry, you can focus on earning interesting returns. If you ask yourself how to invest in these assets, the answer is open an account with your broker, of course, analyze investor profiles, research the markets you want to enter, choose the best options, and maximize your bottom line. Cryptocurrencies and passive income. This is Crypto Inspiration. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. If you love your crypto, because if you don't subscribe, the SEC will come and steal them all. Staking. Staking is the easiest way for passive income, as the market pays you to hold cryptocurrencies for some time. It offers potential ROI that is better estimated than any other, and does not have the required set of product requirements. Staking means that the user spends his coins to hit the block by holding the wallet or node. While using their coins, investors usually go to closing time. The rules of this vary from project to project. Coin earnings have become a popular way to gain the popularity of crypto asset retention. Long-term holders are especially fond of coins because they can add potential returns to their investment. By offering coins such as NEO, NEO, Redcoin, RDD, or Komodo, KMD for example, you can earn nearly 5% interest per year on your deposit. Staking cryptocurrencies is an excellent method to make passive money, but it necessitates a remarkable amount of intelligence. After the choice, traders receive their coins back as staking rewards, up to 30% of the coins placed in the category, as the equivalent of a contract in cryptocurrencies. In reality, it is more of an instrument to get involved in the management of a project and get paid for it. As mentioned earlier, you do not need mining because staking is done via e-wallet. As a result, it is important to familiarize yourself with the staking method regarding the particular cryptocurrency drive you want to join before investing time and money. Lightning Network nodes. Making it easier for you to grasp the knowledge, blockchain has 2 layers: application and implementation. Whereas a Lightning node is either a process or a phase 2. The owner of the Lightning can complete many processes of substitution. This method does not provide a quick return on investment. However, they offer exchange rates. Over the past 2 years, cryptocurrency adoption has increased. And one of the constant questions is whether cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin will be able to handle the millions of changes that are made every other day. The simple answer is yes, on a second layer like Wire Network. What's more, LN users can earn crypto passive funds by running the Lightning app. With Lightning on the internet, users can create legitimate Lightning payments that can be used by other users to make payments over the Wire Network. This way, users get exchange rates for the payments they make on their channel. Moreover, Lightning nodes have a great potential. They want to grow in demand in the market, so if you desire to invest, your returns will increase with their biggest investment. Yield farming. Integrated farming is an added way that users get passive income in the DeFi industry. Yield farming is the method of transferring digital assets into a business or lending business and then storing the process of tokens to get a refund. For your understanding, if you get a farm benefit from the popular Binance Smart Chain powered farm outlet, PancakeSwap, you need to place 2 tokens in the slot to get a farm. Money from the market value in the pool, called the LP token, which you can then stake to get the farm benefits back into the protocol registered called Cake. Yield farming is risky and not something for low-risk traders. Therefore, it is important to do a little more research before starting a farming business to earn a living. Cloud mining. Cloud only refers to the lease of the benefits of digital mining hardware of specialized fields to help people earn regular cryptocurrency income to own and manage mining equipment. In exchange for providing these services, cloud users such as Genesis Mining or Hashnet pay a daily maintenance fee on their cloud mining contract. While cloud mining provides an easy way for passive income for cryptocurrency traders, it comes with a lot of risks due to fluctuating crypto prices and mining problems. In addition, the cloud computing business has been subjected to a lot of fraud. Hence, investors need to conduct detailed research on cloud services before investing. DeFi lending. DeFi is an ecosystem of blockchain technology for financial applications that functions without centralized control or third-party interference. Unlike a combination of individual credit sharing services such as BTC Pop, DeFi loans emerge from the liberalization process used by smart contracts. Total charge lock, TVL, in DeFi rules represents 45.01 billion according to DeFi Pulse. DeFi is licensed, transparent, and open source. DeFi lending has become widespread. Borrowing is where crypto lending platforms such as Compound or Aave provide crypto lending with zero average, allowing users to write their cryptocurrency for lending to the platform. At Compound, for example, token members have the right to vote on various issues such as updates, protocol improvements, and the decision to consolidate new assets on the platform for comp token control. However, what is more interesting for crypto investors is that investing money in security pools usually means earning a higher APY than in bank deposits, bank, or business money. Airdrops, forks, and buybacks. The concept of airdrop refers to the widespread distribution of cryptocurrency. Buybacks means that the cryptocurrency has been destroyed or burned later. Control and design. These 3 options can increase revenue in the short term, however, everything they say about luck and uncertainty. Running master nodes. The characteristic of master nodes is that they require time and money, because they operate on the POW system, which is responsible for the POW approval system and enables special services that children cannot access. Currency Dash has started the first fatigue to simplify its private send. Moreover, a Dash is a privacy-focused digital currency. To fix up a Dash master node, a user can lock 1,000 Dash, currently worth around $230,000. On the way back, the Dash operator received 6.45% return on investment and a say in the decision-making process. While operating a Dash master node is still very expensive for the average cryptocurrency trader, there are still a large number of master nodes that can be set up. Online, there's more than 250 master plan. Help users master node concerning ROI without having to start a business in 6 images. To run a PixV master node, only 10,000 PixV is needed, currently costing approximately $15,000. And operators can expect over 10% off per year. To be specific, master nodes engage in stocking. The model is expensive, inexpensive, and may be very costly. Working tokens. This model is also called resource support, a combination of strengthening the integration of a network with the necessary resources. It encompasses Chinese data retrieval, storage, data, utilization, coding, etc. In other words, it is a blockchain market bridging supply with demand. The investor receives happy prices and benefits. Borrow or repay. Here it all starts with setting up loans for the cryptocurrency market topic. AI is used to control lending operations. Again, the revenue depends on what you hold. The more you own, the more AI works for you, and ultimately, the more your passive income. While the lending process will be fully machine operated, the trader can manage the latter. The loans can vary in size and length. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.